That's right, Carlo. So the California's Attorney General is urging immigrant communities to be extra cautious when they're seeking immigration help, warning that scammers are taking advantage of fear and uncertainty when it comes to immigration enforcement efforts.
The Trump administration continues its immigration enforcement efforts. Attorney General Rob Bonta is sounding the alarm about notario fraud, a scheme where unauthorized people pose as immigration experts to take advantage of vulnerable communities. Local immigration attorney Saman Nasseri shares that this kind of fraud isn't new.
So unfortunately, notario fraud is something that's been huge for decades.
The Attorney General's office warns that only licensed lawyers, accredited representatives, and recognized organizations can provide legal advice or represent you in immigration court. Immigration consultants, notarios, notaries public, or paralegals cannot.
Sadly, almost on a weekly basis, we speak to people who've either had things filed improperly or things they didn't even qualify for got filed. We have people who've ended up in immigration court because something was filed for them that they didn't qualify in the first place.
To protect yourself from immigration scams, the AG's office recommends confirm the person is licensed or accredited. Check their standing through the American Bar Association website. Don't give money or personal information to anyone who calls, texts, or emails claiming there's a problem with your case. Keep your original documents safe. Only give them up if there's proof they're required by the government. The term notario can be confusing. In many Spanish-speaking countries, it means attorneys with special legal credentials. But in the U.S., a notary is only authorized to witness signatures, not give legal advice.
The biggest thing is they take advantage of people because in Mexico and Latin America, they believe a notario is an attorney and they're helping with the documents, and that doesn't translate here. And so these people file documents, they don't put their names on anything, and 99% of the time, they just put people on ICE's radar.
Now, if you're a victim of these immigration scams, you could go ahead and report it to the California Department of Justice, to our local district attorney's office, or to the county's Department of Consumer Affairs. Of course, we're going to have links to those resources on the online version of this story at cbs8.com. Back to you.